Hi, welcome to Mathways. In this video, I am going to show you how to solve past paper questions on the topic polynomials. With the three examples I can show you here, these type of questions are asked in the board exams. So I'll be solving for you one by one all the three questions, and you can tackle any problem from this topic in your exam. So let's start with question number 1. It says the polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 2 is denoted by fx. Find the quotient and remainder when fx is divided by x square plus x minus 1. Part 2. Use the factor theorem to show that x plus 1 is a factor of fx. So, we will take one by one both the parts. So, let me show you part 1. So, we have x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 2, and it says we have to find the quotient and remainder when fx is divided by x square plus x minus 1, and this is your fx, right? So we'll use long division method to divide this. So let's divide x square plus x minus 1, and here we have x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 2. So we have to bring here the first term, we have to bring x cube, so we need to multiply by x. Okay, so x square into x gives us x cube, x into x, that will give us x square positive, and then x into minus 1, that will give us minus x. Now as we are going to subtract, so we'll change the sign, minus minus, this will be plus. So x cube minus x cube cancelled out. So 3x square plus x square will be 4x square. 4x plus x, that will be plus 5x. Now we will bring down the next term, that is plus 2. So bring down here plus 2. Now we want 4x square because first term is 4x square here. So we need to multiply by 4. So we will take plus 4 here. Okay. One second. Wait a minute. 3x square, let me correct it. We have 3x square minus x square. That is 2x square, not 4x square. 2x square. Right. And 4x plus x, that is 5x. Then bring down 2. So plus 2 here. Okay. Now we need to multiply by 2. So we will take positive 2 here plus 2, so 2x square plus x, so 2 into x plus 2x minus 2. So change the sign, minus, this will be plus. 2x square negative cancelled out, 5x plus 2x, 5x minus 2x, that is 3x, and 2 plus 2, 4. So 3x plus 4. Now we cannot divide it further because here degree of the divisor, degree is the higher than the remainder. So we'll stop dividing here. Now we need to write down, it says quotient and remainder. So quotient, let me write it out here. Q quotient here equal to x plus 2 and remainder is equal to 3x plus 4. Okay. So part 1 done. Now we'll do part 2. Part 2 says use the factor theorem to show that x plus 1 is a factor of fx. For factor theorem, if you are not aware, I have already created a video. You can watch that video first and then you can watch this video how to solve questions based on that. So how to do that? X plus 1 is a factor here, so set x plus 1 equal to 0, and this gives us x equal to minus 1. Now you need to find f minus 1 because fx equal to we have x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 2. So if we get f minus 1 equal to 0, that means x plus 1 is a factor. So we'll show that we are getting f minus 1 equal to 0. Let us check what you are getting. X cube there, so 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square plus 4 we have to put x equal to minus 1. So not 1. Minus 1 here, so minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 plus 2. And if you calculate this, that gives us 0. Now, this shows that x plus 1 is a factor. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of fx. We need to write. So we done with this. Both parts solved. Let's go to part now. Question number 2. It says the polynomial 4x cube plus ax square plus 9x plus 9, where a is a constant, is denoted by px. It is given that when px is divided by 2x minus 1, the remainder is 10. Find the value of a and hence verify that x minus 3 is a factor of px. So in this case, what you need to do, first of all, we need to write px. So let's write px. Part 1. Px is equal to 4x cube plus ax square plus 9x plus 9. Right? Now 2x minus, when divided by 2x minus 1, the remainder is 10. So we need to use remainder theorem. So 2x minus 1 set to 0. 2x minus 1 equal to 0. And this gives us x equal to 1 by 2. So what you need to do, we have to find p half. So let us find p half. 4 into half cube plus a into half square plus 9 into half plus 9, and it says remainder is 10. That this gives us the remainder, so this should be equal to 10. Now we'll simplify this and solve for a. So if you are simplifying, we are getting 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4a plus 9 by 2 plus 9 is equal to 10. Then this implies that 1 by 4a plus if you simplify the numerical values, we are getting 14, and that is equal to 10. So 1 by 4a equal to 10 minus 14, that is minus 4. So this implies that a equal to minus 16. So part 1 was asking the value of a, and we have done that part. Next is asking and hence verify that x minus 3 is a factor of px. So x minus 3 is a factor of px. That means after setting x minus 3 equal to 0, we will get x equal to 3, and we need to put value of x in the polynomial 3, and we should get 0. This is how we show that it is a factor. Okay. So now what will be the px? After we will put the value of a, 4x cube minus 16 x square plus 9x plus 9. Therefore we will find p here x minus 3 we have to show is a factor, so put x minus 3 equal to 0, so x equal to 3. So let us substitute here and find p3. 4 into 3 cube minus 16 into 3 square plus 9 into 3 plus 9, and that gives us 108 minus 144 plus 27 plus 9, and if you simplify we get 0. So we got P3 0, that means x minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial. So we will write here, therefore x minus 3 is a factor of Px. Done. Now this was part 1. Part 1 completed. Now part 2. It says when a has this value, solve the equation Px equal to 0. So we have to solve the equation also. Okay. So let me create a space for writing. Now we have to show how to solve. So let me show you. Write the equation 4x cube number 2. 4x cube minus 16x square plus 9x plus 9 equal to 0. We have to solve this equation. Right? And we have in the first part we have seen that x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. So what we'll do, we'll divide this by x minus 3 to get other factors. So let's divide. X minus 3 is a factor, so divide by x minus 3. Here we'll be writing 4x cube minus 16x square plus 9x plus 9. So what will come in 4x square? It becomes 4x cube here minus 12x square. So this will be minus, this becomes plus. Cancelled out. So minus 16 plus 12 will be minus 4x square. Bring down 9x plus 9x here. So next will come minus 4x here. Put minus 4x square and minus plus, so plus 12x plus here minus, this cancelled out. 9 minus 12 minus 3x, then bring down plus 9. So that comes here minus 3. Minus 3x plus 9. That gives the remainder 0. That means we got a quadratic expression, a quadratic factor. So same equation can be written as now using these factors. So we have x minus 3 into 4x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Let me create more space for writing. Now quadratic terms also we need to factorize. So let's factorize. 4 into minus 3 we get minus 12. So first of all write x minus 3 as it is. Now we have to think about how to factorize the quadratic one. So quadratic one, for that what you need to do, 4 into minus 3 it is minus 12. Minus 12 we need to find the two factors in such a way that sum should be minus 4. So minus 6 and 2. Minus 6 into 2 minus 12 and minus 6 in plus 2, that gives us minus 4 coefficient of x. So we can write here 4x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 3, and that is equal to 0. So x minus 3 into, we get, what is the common factor here? 2x. 2x minus 3 plus 1 is common, so 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So if we factorize now, we get x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 into 2x minus 3. That is equal to 0. Now we have three linear factors. So what you need to do? We need to write them separately equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0. 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. And this gives us x equal to 3, x equal to minus half, and x equal to 3 by 2. So we got three solutions, 3 minus half and positive 3 by 2. As it is a cubic equation, we expect three solutions. So we are done with question number 2. Okay. Now the last question. It says the polynomial ax cube minus 5x square plus bx plus 9, where a and b are constants, is denoted by px. It is given that 2x plus 3 is a factor of px, and that when px is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 8. Find the values of a and b. See here two sets of information given. Using those two sets of information, we will get two equations in a and b, and we will solve them simultaneously to get the value of a and b. Okay, so let's start part 1. Px, let us write px equal to ax cube minus 5x square plus bx plus 9. Now 2x plus 3 is a factor. It is said that 2x plus 3 is a factor of px. So let us set 2x plus 3 equal to 0. This implies that x equal to minus 3 by 2. Right? So that means p minus 3 by 2 should be equal to 0 using the factor theorem. Okay. Now let's find p minus 3 by 2. So a into minus 3 by 2 cube. In place of x, we will substitute minus 3 by 2 in the given polynomial. So a times x cube there. So x value is minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 cube minus 5 into minus 3 by 2 square plus b into minus 3 by 2 plus 9, and that should be equal to 0. So if you simplify, we get minus 27 by 8 a minus 45 by 4 minus 3 by 2b plus 9 equal to 0. Now we need to get rid of the denominator. So denominators we have 8, 4 and 2. LCM of 2, 4 and 8 is 8. So we need to multiply all the terms by 8. So let me show here. We are going to multiply by 8. We get minus 27a then we get minus 90 minus 12b plus 72 is equal to 0. If you simplify this, we get minus 27a minus 12b minus 18 equal to 0. So we can write 27a plus 12b equal to minus 18. And we can divide all the terms by 3. So 9a plus 4b is equal to minus 6. What is done here? Divided by 9a plus 4b equal to minus 6. This is the first equation. Now we will use the second information to find the second equation. It says when px, look at this, when px is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 8. That means we need to substitute x equal to minus 1. So we should get now p minus 1 is equal to 8. So if you are substituting x value minus 1, we will get minus a minus 5 minus b plus 9 is equal to a. So minus a minus b is equal to 4. So we can write a plus b equal to minus 4. I change the sign of all the terms. Or you can say multiplying all the terms by minus 1. Now this is equation number. What we can do? We can solve by elimination method or substitution method. I will prefer here elimination method. See, so I'm going to eliminate term with b. So there in the first equation we have 4b. So here also we need 4b. So I am going to multiply by 4. So let me write the first equation as it is. 9a plus 4b is equal to minus 6. Now here we get 4a plus 4b is equal to minus 16. Change the sign. 9a minus 4a, 5a, 4b minus 4b cancelled out. So equal to 16 minus 6, 10. So a equal to 2. Now we have to find b. So we have a plus b equal to minus 4. Since a plus b equal to minus 4, substitute the value of a. 2 plus b equal to minus 4. So b equal to minus 6. We got value of A and value of B. Value of A is 2, value of B is minus 6. Let's check the question. It was asking find the values of A and B. We are done with that part. Now, part 2. When A and B have these values, factorize Px completely. So, let's put these values in the polynomial given and then we'll need to factorize. So, let me write it here. Part 2. Px is equal to, after putting the value, what will get? 2x cube minus 5x square minus 6x plus 9. So, as this is the Px now, it says 2x plus 3 is a factor. So, one factor already known. So, what we will do? We will divide the polynomial by 2x minus 3. Sorry, 2x plus 3. So, let me write it here. 2x cube minus 5x square minus 6x plus 9. So 2x plus 3 we have the divisor. So we have to bring here 2x cube. So 2x cube we can get if you take here x square in the quotient part. X square need, let us multiply x square 2x, so 2x cube plus 3x square minus cancelled out. We are left with minus 8x square, bring down minus 6x. Now we have to think what to take. So we will take minus 4x. So minus 8x square minus 12x. Change the sign. So 12 minus 6, 6x. Bring down 9. 9. Next term will be plus 3. Because 3 2 is 6x. And 3 3 is 9 here. Minus cancel out. So remainder is 0. So 2x plus 3 is a factor and other factor we got quadratic. So let us write now. We can write 2x cube minus 5x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 2x plus 3 into x square minus 4x plus 3. Now quadratic part we can factorize. So if you factorize that, we get 2x plus 3 x minus 3 into x minus 1. Because we have 3 here, factor of 3, we have to find that should add up to minus 4. So we get minus 3 and minus 1. Because minus 3 into minus 1 gives us plus 3 and minus 3 plus minus 1 that gives us minus 4. So we are done with this 2x plus 3 into x minus 3 into x minus 1. So this is your answer. We factorize it completely. So part 2 also Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and comment on the video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Keep watching my quiz.